What are the top three reasons you have seen developer relations fail?
Um, Not aligned with the business, uh, and not, so the first one's not being aligned to the business and not tied to what the business recognizes is that they need to be successful. I think the other one is uh, unrealistic expectations placed on the team, um, either because people don't understand what they're supposed to be, or just not leadership has not figured out what they want from it. So I think those are two of them. I think the third one is, um, gosh, I'd say probably the top third one. I could come up with probably a few others, but I think the top third would be, uh, the company. It wasn't the right time. The company brought somebody in too early, and they're just spinning their wheels, or they were the only one doing that and five other things. And it's either you're going to do one thing well or five things bad. And so I think those are the top three that I've seen of why they tend to fail. There's plenty more, but those are probably the top three.